Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it either by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, like this, find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. Once in settings, scroll down, find the option called sounds and haptics, tap on it, and here we have option called alert volume, and you can customize the volume of the watch, the sound volume, by tapping on the icons or using the crown. You can also turn on the silent mode if you want to turn off all of the sounds on your watch. And you can also customize the sound volume by using the phone app. So let's bring our iPhone right here. Open the watch app on our iPhone. In the app you should see this page, the My Watch page, right here. If you don't, just tap on this icon right here to bring the My Watch page. Scroll down, tap on the sounds and haptics, and here we have the slider for the volume. Like that. You can also enable or disable the silent mode right here. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.